So, is it expensive to hire an outside DBA? I guess that's relative, right? So, of course, just about everything that you're going to pay someone else to do for you will cost more than if you did it yourself. One thing I've been into recently is axe throwing, right? So I bought my own axe at the axe throwing place and I thought, wow, this is really cool. And there was a guy there, he's like, hey, if you want me, I'll polish that for you like $100. And I'm like, no, I really want to do that myself. I can do it. It will cost me a lot less than $100. I didn't say that to him, of course. I can do it. I'm competent with this, right? I've used tools before. And so I sat down and I started the polishing process. Now, this person even gave me some hints as for how to do it. But what I ended up doing was scratching the tar out of the head of my axe and ending up spending probably 5 or 6 hours trying to get the axe looking at least passable in comparison to some of the ones that he had polished and shown me. They were like a bright mirror finish. You're looking at mine and you're like, yeah, this looks like someone's car that's gone through the car wash about 2,000 times, right? And it's all, you can see that it's still shiny, right? It's clean. So yeah, you can do some things yourself. And sometimes you can have success with it. But other times, so you dig yourself a deeper hole, right? And you're just going to end up paying someone anyway. One of the things that I offer is we can come in and we can just have a discussion about what things need to be done, what we can do, how much it's going to cost. And oftentimes it's not as expensive as you might think.